I have another box from ShopDisney. You know what that means. It's another episode of Come On ShopDisney. Really? Just listening to what I'm hearing inside here, I'm not optimistic about how this is packaged. So let's get it opened and see how my items have been shipped and see what kind of condition they're in. Tissue paper, package slip, bubble, bubble, bubble. Gotta be kidding me. It's amazing. It's amazing. Amazing. Look at this. Two pins. 2 pins. 1 pin, 2 pin. That's it. That's all that's in here. 2 pins. You can't even see them because they're down here. They're not packaged securely. What is wrong with ShopDisney? Whoever works in their fulfillment center needs to go through retraining on how to ship small, delicate items. It's every single shipment. 2 pins. That's it. You see the size difference here? Why are they coming in this box? And what's the point of this? What is this gonna do? ShopDisney, this does nothing. Nothing. I got lucky. This is the first of these pins that I've received where it wasn't completely dented in, and this is the DuckTales Treasure of the Lost Lamp 30th anniversary pin, and it surprisingly is in very good condition. There's no dents on the cardboard, so I'm very surprised with the way this was packaged that these were not completely just smushed. ShopDisney, what are we going to do with you? You're charging us $18 plus shipping and tax for these things, and you're not even treating them like they're $18 items. You're treating them like they came out of a gumball machine. And that is unacceptable, ShopDisney. Unacceptable. You have got to do better. Have you had items come in just crazy boxes like this? Share your stories down below. I want to hear your stories. We've got to get this taken care of. I want you to just bombard their Facebook page, their Twitter account, and their email mailbox with your stories of how your items have come and they've just been damaged, or they just haven't been shipped appropriately. They're not getting it. I'm gonna calm down now. Leave your stories in the comments below. I look forward to reading them. Until then, remember, no capes.